Hello, I'm Dan Marr from the law firm of Hamblett Kerrigan in Nashua, New Hampshire. I've been practicing law in New Hampshire for approximately 36 years and in Massachusetts for about 28. And today I'm going to be talking in New Hampshire, what do you do when you have an unwanted occupant in a property that you're getting through an inheritance? So in this situation, say your uncle, your parent, or somebody dies and you're left property, you and maybe your siblings are left property that has a occupant in it. It could be a person that had a relationship with the decedent. It could be somebody that had a good deal. Maybe they were a caretaker. Any other situation. You're in a circumstance first that you're going to be talking to that person about what you want to do. And often I find in my own clients that they're fairly forgiving in this situation, that they want to give them some time to get out and figure out an opportunity for when they are going to be getting out. So you come to an agreement on that, and then the issue is, what do you do? Do you just wait and see, hope that they get out? My recommendation to you, and I've dealt with this in quite a few times, is to, whether you contact a lawyer or not, go through and tell them that you're going to go through the eviction process. You're going to give them a 30-day notice if they don't have a lease. So you're going to tell them when they're supposed to be leaving. And then even if you give them the 30-day notice and you say you've agreed, now this is in July 31st, and you're saying the 30-day notice says the end of August, but you've agreed really that they can stay till the end of the year, 2024. I would still go through that process, explain it to them, because what you want to do is you want to get into court. It's a very easy process with an agreement in court, and get a court order saying they're going to be out by, in this situation, it would be December 31st, 2024. That way, when you have a court order in regards to that, if they don't get out, you have a ability to get what's called a writ of possession, which means a court order having the sheriff get them out. And the reason for that, again, you're being kind, perhaps, and you're agreeing to a certain date, but the market's tough out there, and it's going to be difficult for them to find somewhere. And even if they are completely committed to moving out by that period of time, when that time comes about and they don't have another place to find, or it's or the prices are too high, they're going to want to stay, and then you're going to have to start through a whole 30-day eviction process. So you got to go 30 days and then deal with another court order that probably is going to take another 3 weeks, and maybe there's even appeals on that. Don't do that. I would strongly recommend, if you have an agreement, still go through the eviction process and have a court order that tells them that they have to be out by this period of time. It's going to save you a lot of hassle, a lot of headaches, and it will save you some money too. So if you have any questions, you can call me at 603-883-5501. These eviction notices are something that's on a form online. You'll be saying a good cause, saying that you don't have a relationship with this person, you want to sell the property, you want to move into the property, whatever it may be, and you can talk to me about that, but we can put that in and you can have good cause for this. But you have to do that even if you have an agreement with them. I strongly recommend you want the teeth of the agreement, that you can get a writ of possession if they don't move out when they're saying they're going to move out. Again, my name is Dan Marr. Our telephone number is 603-883-5501 at Hamblett Kerrigan here in Nashua, New Hampshire. You can check out our website at nationallaw, all one word, .com. We have a lot of these vlogs, and previously I've done a radio show for quite a few years before, and those are available also on there. So there's a lot of useful information on our website. Please check it out, and if you have any questions, give me a call. Thank you.